A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. May I tell you the truth? This is good news, he good, bad. May I have one question for you? I want you to write the answer. Yeah. Which one of the law them you have no problem with? You can just follow it to a T? Absolutely no problem at all. Think about it and drop a comment below. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And of course, don't forget to click the subscribe button if you don't click it yet, and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right, yes. Today, me go read from Paul letter to the Galatians them, chapter 3, from verse 1 to verse 14. Uno full Galatian uno. Oh, guzum uno. Me tell you no clear to uno face. Oh, Jesus did dead on the cross. So, one thing me want to tell me now. Uno get the spirit through uno follow the law, or cause uno believe when uno did hear. I saw uno fool. Uno start out a follow God's spirit and now one go try if it done with uno own strength. All of the sitting them when you go through. Uno did that suffer for nothing. I can't so it go. What make God give uno him spirit and work miracle amongst uno? Uno think him do it cause uno follow the law or cause uno believe when you hear? Look at Abraham. Him to believe in a God. And cause him trust in a God. God see him as somebody who do right. And things did right between him and God. So, we need to understand so the one them with trust in a God, like Abraham. And them are Abraham Pitney. God did have a plan to make things right between him and the people them were no Jew. If them believe in him would have saved them and take away them sin. This are the good news where God tell Abraham from way back when. And we write down in a God word. God tell Abraham say, people from all different countries are going to get blessed, sake of what you do. So anybody will believe in a God, like how Abraham did believe, God are going to bless them just like how he blessed Abraham. God are going to punish the people them who follow the law and think said that are going to save them. Because nobody can follow all of the law them. And it right down in a God word say, anybody when not follow all of the law them, God are going to punish them. So, uno must can see clear now. Say nobody can make things right with God just through them a follow the law. It all right down say the people them will make things right with God and we get them sin take away. Them are going to live forever because them trust in a God. But you know, if you believe in a God for follow the law have nothing to do with that. It right down in a God word say, the one them will follow the law and do everything where the law say them to do. Them will live as according to all the law say. Them are going to live. No, we not always follow all of the law them. And sake of that, God would have punished we. But Christ Jesus saved we from get punished. So we wouldn't get punished. It's all right down in a God word say, anybody with them hang up on one cross, God a punish them. Jesus dead for we, so that the people them we are not Jew and we believe in him can get blessed, same like how God did bless Abraham. Him do it too, so that when we trust in him, we can get the spirit where God promised forgive we. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.